Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple can mockup from scratch here in Photoshop. Without talking too much, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to just drag in the base image, and I actually generated it using AI, right? So this is it. I used Nano Banana. You can see the watermark here. Alright, so once you've imported it into your workspace, you just want to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J, and the reason you're duplicating it is just in case you need the original copy. Right, so while selecting that duplicate, you're going to select your quick selection tool, right? Select your quick selection tool, zoom in a bit, going to expand it, and then we're going to use it to try to make a selection of the can. Right, so we made a selection, but the selection is not perfect, so we are going to go to all the places that are not perfect and try to make it perfect. Alright, so I'm going to try to add here, a bit of water droplet there. We'll come down here, I will hold Alt and I'll remove. Right, so basically adding where it needs to be added and removing places that need to be removed. The bottom is okay, here is okay, here we need to add here, so just add. Right, so all we are trying to do is get a good selection, because the selection we make is all will determine how good our mockup will be. Right, okay, and we'll come to the top. I think the top is pretty okay. Alright, so we've made a selection. With the selection created, we're now going to press Ctrl J, and we duplicated it. Then you select a rectangle tool, and then you create a rectangle that is the width and height of the can. Right, I'll move this like this, and I'll move here like this. Alright, so we've created a rectangle that's width and height of the can. Right click on that rectangle and convert it to a smart object. Then you now clip it into that duplicate that we made. Now you double click on the rectangle, and this is where you can now place your design. Alright, so I don't necessarily have a design, so what I'm going to do is I'll just create something quick like this. Okay, I'll color it ash. Alright, I'll color it ash. The rectangle, I'm going to change it to this red. Then I'll select my text too. And I'll type mockup. Right, I'll type mockup, press Ctrl T, rotate it, increase the size like this, place it somewhere here. Now duplicate it, press Ctrl T, rotate it back, and I'll type energy drink. Okay, I'll change the size to 30 and the line spacing to 30 as well. Press Ctrl T, position it here. Okay, and with that I'll press Ctrl S to save, and then I'll go back, and this is what we have. And I'll select that layer that we duplicated, that we selected out and cut out of the mockup. Right, I'll select it, I'll drag it up, I'll duplicate it, I'll clip it to that layer, then I'll select multiply, and I'll reduce the opacity a little bit, maybe I'll leave it at 82. I'll duplicate it again, and I'll clip it, and this time I'll change the blending mode to lighting. I'll reduce the fill, so I'll leave it at 25. I'll duplicate it again, clip it. This time I'll change the blending mode to color burn, and I'll leave the fill at 27. Then I'll duplicate it one more time, clip it. So I'll change the blending mode to normal, increase the fill to 100. I'll right click it, I'll convert it to a smart object, then press Ctrl L to bring up your levels adjustment layer. Then you can now adjust it a little bit, adjust the levels a bit like this. Okay, you can copy my settings if you want, click on OK. Once your levels have been adjusted, change the blending mode to overlay, then reduce the fill a bit, and just like that we have created our mockup. Right, so I hope you guys learned something new, and if you did, kindly let me know what you learned in the comment section. If you want more tutorials like this, also let me know in the comment section. Share this video to other designers, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.